At Lantz Construction, we value being a part of the communities that we live in and work in. With this year greatly impacting us all, one Shenandoah Valley town is looking toward its future. Home to the Diamondbacks, Stuarts Draft recently adopted its small area plan to guide the town's social and economic development. Featured in this Touring Our Town segment, Stuarts Draft is one of the oldest communities in Augusta County. The town has experienced significant industrial growth, with 7 manufacturing and food processing facilities employing thousands and contributing to the local economy. Stuarts Draft is a close-knit community with residents strongly supporting their hometown schools and civic organizations. From family-owned businesses to large corporations, Lantz Construction has partnered with many Stuarts Draft businesses, and we look forward to the projects that lie ahead. Join us again soon for Touring Our Towns, sponsored by Lantz Construction.